Hi, Tom here, and welcome to this week's new Circle Line Art School Drawing Challenge. The aim of this drawing is to draw using a continuous line. To do that, you'll need to keep the pen or pencil point in contact with the paper at all times. For this continuous line drawing, I also have chosen not to cross or overlap the line that I'm drawing, which means that I need to be really inventive in how I use the continuous line to create an image of a city in two-point perspective. The reason that I would suggest that you have a go at drawing using a continuous line is that it is an excellent way to practice hand-to-eye coordination in drawing. You have to really think about where the line is going and try to have some real control over the line that you're making to create the image that you wish. A continuous line drawing is not so much about making a drawing, an image. It's more about the process of making a drawing, the practice of hand-to-eye coordination and control, and thinking ahead a little bit, being inventive with how you can create an image. So this drawing is just using basic two-point perspective, so I know that some lines are going to recede towards the left and some lines are going to recede towards the right. But because the lines are not overlapping, I need to really think about at every stage which way I want the lines to go so that I'm creating an image that will make some sort of sense by the end. For a continuous line drawing, it's a good idea not to just try and draw the outline of things, but to try and draw, in this case, the floors of the building as you go along. Because if you draw the outline of something, it's quite hard to fill it in if the line is continuous. So it's a bit like drawing, I guess, like drawing a skeleton, the bones, because they can all link together, and then you could put the outline on at the end. That's sort of what I'm doing with these buildings. For this drawing, I'm using a black pen, which gives a nice, even line. I hope that you find this drawing challenge interesting and useful for your own drawings. And I hope that you have a go too. Remember, for a continuous line drawing challenge, the challenge is to keep the point of the pen or the pencil on the surface of the paper at all times during the drawing. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Circle Line Art School, where I post a new drawing challenge every week. If you'd like to learn more about the key essential drawing techniques, please visit my website, circlelineartschool.com.